So in this video I'll be doing some of the finishing touches on this object since we're almost done. One, I'm going to select all four of these and transform them. I'm going to move them up just a little because I know from previous prints of this object that these can look a little dwarfed. I'm also going to combine them into one object. I'm going to check to see the wiring or the polygons in this area, because when I boolean these objects, it may require me to increase the number of polygons on this area. But let's see what happens when we combine these objects together here. Okay, so now these objects are meshed together as one. I did not have to do any remeshing. These edges look good. Now what I need to do is add a cylinder to add the stubs for the attachment point. So I Meshmixed, add, went to primitives, added the new object, accepted its location, went to select, double-clicked on the object. Now I'm going to remesh, just add a few more polygons. Okay, that'll do. I'm going to make this bigger, so I'm going to make it 5 by 5 by 5. Accepting that. And now what I want to do is align it with this one. So these coordinates were 1.5, 2.5, 3, 2. With this one specifically. So I'm going to accept. You can see that that cylinder is within the other. I'm going to transform it. Let's get a better view here for a second. I'm just going to move it over. So now our new coordinates have become -42, 2.5, and 32. So what I want to do here, let me just make this object a little bit taller. Okay, I'm going to duplicate by hitting D on the keypad. And I'm just going to do things this way.
Hello.
There we go. Now we have our 4 stubs for the orb attachment. And as you can see, duplicating and copying multiple objects, making sure they're aligned, is pretty easy when you use absolute coordinates because you're working with the same frame reference point. So I'm going to accept here. I'm going to select all 4 of these, combine them, and then do a Boolean. That looks good to me. And again, this will take a second here. Alright, so now these objects are meshed together. Looks good to me. And that'll be it for this video.